Ever wondered if the future is already here? Well, what if I told you that it's not just around the corner, but already among us in the form of incredible robots? Today, we're diving into the realm of innovation and technology as we unveil the top 10 amazing robots that really exist. Brace yourselves for a journey into the extraordinary, where science fiction meets reality. Let's roll the gears and witness the marvels that redefine what it means to be cutting edge in the world of robotics. Robot number 10, Pepper by SoftBank Robotics. Meet Pepper, the social butterfly of robots. Developed by SoftBank Robotics, Pepper uses advanced AI to read emotions, engage in conversations, and even hit the dance floor. It's not just a robot, it's a party on wheels. And don't underestimate its versatility. Pepper has found applications in various industries, from hospitality to healthcare, proving that socializing and efficiency can go hand in hand. With its sleek design and intuitive interactions, Pepper continues to redefine the boundaries of human-robot interaction. Robot number 9, Spot by Boston Dynamics. Spot, the quadrupedal sensation from Boston Dynamics. This nimble robot is like the Swiss Army knife of automation, tackling everything from inspections to logistics. With its agility and versatility, Spot is redefining what it means to be a four-legged friend. And when it comes to adaptability, Spot doesn't just stop at navigating diverse terrains, it excels in collaborative efforts, seamlessly integrating into teams to enhance efficiency. Whether it's assisting in industrial workflows or responding to dynamic environments, Spot's capabilities make it a standout choice in the world of robotic innovation. Robot number 8, Sophia by Hanson Robotics. Sophia, the AI diva with a personality to match. Developed by Hanson Robotics, Sophia is more than just a pretty face. With the ability to hold conversations, make facial expressions, and deliver punchlines, she's proving that robots can be both smart and entertaining. And Sophia's charisma extends beyond casual banter. She's making waves in advocacy, using her platform to address societal issues and promote inclusivity in technology. By combining wit with a social conscience, Sophia stands as a testament to the potential of artificial intelligence in fostering positive change and engaging conversations. Robot number 7, Atlas by Boston Dynamics. Atlas, the acrobatic wonder from Boston Dynamics. This humanoid robot is not just about lifting heavy objects, it's flipping the script with backflips and cartwheels. It's like having a gymnast on the factory floor, just with more metal and fewer leotards. And Atlas's agility isn't just for show, it translates into real-world applications, enabling it to navigate complex environments with unparalleled grace. From assisting in disaster response to handling delicate tasks in manufacturing, Atlas proves that combining strength with finesse opens up a whole new realm of possibilities in the realm of robotics. Robot number 6, Robo Bees by Harvard University. Robo Bees, the tiny aviators with a big mission. Developed by Harvard researchers, these miniature robots are buzzing around, pollinating flowers and collecting environmental data. Move over, honeybees. There's a new winged wonder in town, but don't let their size fool you. Robo Bees pack a punch when it comes to versatility. Beyond pollination, they're deployed for tasks like search and rescue in tight spaces, showcasing that even in their diminutive form, these robotic insects carry significant potential for diverse applications in various fields. Robot 5, DJI RoboMaster S1, the Robo Racer with a side of education. This sleek robot is not just zipping around the track. It's also teaching coding and robotics in a fun and interactive way. Forget about remote-controlled cars. It's all about programmable Robo Racers now. And the learning doesn't stop at the racetrack. RoboMaster S1's educational features extend to complex programming challenges, providing a hands-on experience that sparks creativity in STEM enthusiasts. Aspiring engineers and tech enthusiasts can now embrace the thrill of racing while delving into the exciting world of robotics and coding with this innovative and dynamic robot. Robot number 4, Baxter by Rethink Robotics. Baxter, the blue-collar bot with a sense of style. This collaborative robot is here to work alongside humans, and it's doing it with flair. With its human-like movements and a tie that screams professionalism, Baxter is making the factory floor a runway for the well-dressed robot. But Baxter's fashion-forward approach doesn't compromise on efficiency. Its adaptability in various manufacturing tasks showcases that combining functionality with a touch of sophistication can redefine the image of robots in the industrial landscape. As it seamlessly integrates into workflows, Baxter proves that a polished appearance can go hand-in-hand with top-notch performance. Robot number 3, Boston Dynamics Handle, the brake dancer on wheels. Developed by Boston Dynamics, Handle is not just about lifting heavy stuff, it's also grooving on the dance floor. With its two-wheeled agility, Handle is rolling its way into our hearts and proving that robots can have rhythm. And Handle's dance moves aren't just for entertainment. They showcase its exceptional balance and control, making it a standout in material handling and logistics. Whether it's lifting, moving, or twirling on the dance floor, Handle's versatility and precision redefine the expectations for robotic agility in both the industrial and entertainment realms. Robot number 2, NASA's Robonaut 2. Robonaut 2, the astronaut of the future. Developed by NASA, this humanoid robot is conquering the challenges of space exploration. It's floating around, fixing things and making zero gravity look like a walk in the park. Houston, we've got a robotic superstar. And Robonaut 2 isn't just limited to the vacuum of space. Its advanced dexterity and precision make it a valuable asset in complex terrestrial environments, from delicate scientific tasks to hazardous situations where human presence may be limited. As it extends its reach beyond the stars, Robonaut 2 continues to redefine the boundaries of humanoid robotics with its groundbreaking capabilities. Robot number 1, Tesla Bot. Tesla Bot, the electric helper you never knew you needed. Elon Musk's brainchild, this humanoid dynamo is here to do your chores, run your errands, and maybe even tell you a joke or two. Move over, Roomba. There's a new sheriff in town, and it's got more circuits than a city grid, and Tesla Bot's capabilities extend far beyond household chores. Its modular design and AI-driven features make it a versatile companion, adapting to various tasks and evolving alongside your needs. As it seamlessly integrates into daily life, Tesla Bot marks a significant leap forward in the realm of personal robotics, ushering in an era where assistance meets innovation with a touch of electric charm. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the fascinating world of robots. Which one amazed you the most? Are there any other remarkable robots out there that deserve a spotlight? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep innovating, and keep exploring the incredible realm of technology.